Harvey here in my Amplify AI workshop again with Bad Benny showing you how to produce bad HeyGen AI talking videos. Well, without further ado, here's Bad Benny.
Harvey, thanks for that bad introduction. Here I am telling bad jokes at a construction site. Not sure why they are not laughing. Oh well, here goes. So, it's great being the age I am. People on the bus stand up and offer me their seats. But it's a little creepy in the men's room. They must know I'm a stand-up comedian. Hey, that's funny. At least smile. Okay, how about this one? Instead of cleaning the house at my age, I just sit back and relax. And watch an episode of Hoarders and think, wow, my house looks great. Not impressed? Let's try this one. The other day I went to Walmart and tried to find a handicap parking spot to park my old pickup truck with handicap sticker in the window. I found one, but, before I could get that spot, a big luxury Lincoln Navigator swung in ahead of me with no handicap sticker. He got out and started walking to the door. So, I came up behind him and ran over him with my old pickup and made an honest man out of him. I know I'm really bad. That's all I got today. Now back to Harvey.
Thanks, Benny. And yes, those jokes were really bad. For those who made it through that last really bad joke, Benny, shame on you, and are now watching me take a tour through Bob Marley's museum in Kingston, Jamaica. Congratulations. As you can see and hear, I'm having the time of my life creating these HeyGen AI videos. Okay, in the last Bad Benny production, I was taking a walk on a beach in Hawaii. Now like magic, I'm now in Jamaica on vacation. Want to learn how you can use the magic of this HeyGen AI video generation software for yourself and be anywhere in the world at any time? Join me in the Amplify AI workshop, and I'll show you how we can produce some of these AI videos for yourself, creating a free HeyGen account. Click on the link in the description of this video. Follow the instructions to create your free Amplify AI workshop account. Now click on the community tab. You will see write something in that area, type a request that I produce a free custom HeyGen AI talking video just for you. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside. Harvey out.